Hi, reporting is part of every industry, and analyzing data to derive your business insights is of prime importance. All the businesses, small or big, use data to make decisions about sales, profits, inventory, hiring, achieving targets, etc., based on their business process data. On regular intervals, you got to check and analyze the performance of your business operations and processes. Where do you stand? Timely analytical reporting for regular monitoring, follow-ups, expediting, and decision making remains the need of the hour for every business. Every business house works and flourishes by deploying a robust reporting system in place. Here, Power BI helps you in simplifying the data reporting process by connecting to one or more of your existing data sources and by using a secure, easy to understand interface to develop visually interactive and analytical report and dashboards. Hi, I'm Rafique Shaikh. Come, learn with me the fun, easy, and interactive way of reporting with Power BI, the future of reporting. Through my series, Learn Reporting with Power BI. Before we dive into learning Power BI reporting, how about knowing a brief about me, your trainer? I'm Rafique Shaikh. I'm a Microsoft certified data analyst. Proud to say that I'm a Microsoft certified data analyst associate. I'm a software automation enthusiast and a trainer with a 26 years record of success in India, UAE, Qatar, and KSA in electronic document management system, that is EDMS implementation and training, data MIS automation, and dashboard reporting. I have had the privilege of handling wide arrays of projects from airport, high-rise towers to medium-scale buildings, commercial complexes, palaces, school, and villa complexes. Training and developing automated Power BI reports has been my forte, and along with that, supervision of EDMS implementation, data migration, and training of EDMS software has also been my forte all these years. Other passion I have is sharing my knowledge and encouraging others to upgrade their skills and keeping up with the times. Over and above, I like to spend quality time with my family, playing, traveling, and visiting places, and yes, even cooking for them. I do have a flair for writing. I write short articles on thought process series. Check it out on LinkedIn profile. Check it out on my LinkedIn profile. Reach out to me through my contact numbers. Write to me on my email address for any of your queries or feedback or comments. Connect with me on with my LinkedIn profile, and also stay in touch with me through my Instagram profile and post. That's it about a brief about myself as your trainer. Let's